Welcome back to Homeschool Education Academy. This is Lesson 4 of Grade 1 Writing. Today we'll begin writing lowercase letters of the alphabet, from A to Z. Most of the writing your child will do uses lowercase letters. They're smaller and more detailed than uppercase letters, so they take a little more control and focus. This is an important step in building full handwriting skills. Lowercase letters don't all sit the same way on lined paper. Some are tall like B and H, some are short like A and E, and some go below the line like G and Y. Use lined paper to show your child how each type fits within the writing lines. Each lowercase letter has its own shape and starting point. Most begin at the middle line and go down or around. Model each letter slowly and explain where it starts. Encourage your child to form the letters from top to bottom and left to right. Rather than writing the full alphabet all at once, begin with just a few letters today, such as A, B, C, D, and E. Let your child repeat each one several times with guidance. Group similar shapes together, like C and O or L and T, in future practice sessions. Remind your child to use the tripod grip to hold the pencil. Keep the hand relaxed and steady. If letters are too big or messy, slow down and use shorter lines or tracing first. Learning lowercase takes time. It's okay if letters look uneven at first. Give your child gentle feedback and let them compare their writing to your model. Repetition and encouragement help more than correction. That's the end of Lesson 4. Today, your child began writing lowercase letters A to Z. Continue practicing a few letters each day. In Lesson 5, we'll help your child write their first name. See you next time.